guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be unboxing some stuff that I received from some brands. To be honest, I don't not really sure what's in these, to be honest. So let us find out together. All right. Um all right, so in the meantime, the girl have her Amazon storefront, so please check the link in the description box below. Follow me on all socials. I've also created a new Instagram page just for parenting stuff, baby stuff, pregnancy stuff, postpartum stuff, those things, right? I didn't want to bombard my main page with that, so I have created a new page just for that. So please do me the honor and follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Everything will be in the description box below. Everything will be listed below, right? All right, so to be honest, since I've been expecting, I have been requesting stuff for the baby or the pregnancy to make my life a little easier. So I got this book from Little Hippos called Backyard Bugs. So it's just quite cute. Have a sense everything going on with it. So you can see the different bugs, right? And little thing while going over here. So it's nice to read to them. Yeah. So all the everything will be in the description box below. But I said before, I have a page just for baby stuff or parenting stuff in general. So I would suggest you follow that so you can see everything basically. All right. Okay. So I have to keep checking this. How long time I use it? This is quite open. They must think we put on a nice box. Nasty. Anyways, if we didn't know something I get this, when I probably cancel one of my order them. Some Carters. I don't know who sent this, but my Carter sent it, right? But these are some nice little blankets. Receiving blankets, right? Cause I'm having a boy. Blue. Blue. So how much this? How much come out this? Was it 4? Yeah, 4. I'm gonna have some idea, but it's fine. Can't about too much, I guess. I don't know. Not too sure about that basically. Then just send me. You can still do a TikTok video on it, but what am I going to say? But anyways, what is this now? 5. What is that? Oh, this. I worked with this brand before, so now they have sent me a 3-in-1 wireless charger. So this is for the people who want iPhone, right? So you can charge the iPhone here, so your AirPods here, so and your Apple Watch right here, so very cute and sleek. You put the bedside table, and you charge the things and then go on your bed. Also have a night light right here. So I'm now gonna pull it right now. I'm gonna show you what it be, right? Because I have to do a TikTok video on it to submit to them. Now I'll pull it up right now. Which is why I always urge you guys, to follow me on all socials, Instagram, TikTok, all Facebook, right? And remember to subscribe. Do guys, do. Girl, I try to reach to the subscribers. I'm gonna try to get the watch time. In case one of the traffic was left the playlist on mute if you don't want to hear my voice. Every day also, let it on mute and make it go and run. We need the 4,000 hours watch. The 4,000 watch hours. Try to stick on me. Please. Please. Please, I beg you. Alright. Tell us a story about this now. This is the Groundsy Baby Nasal Aspirator. So said there before them confirm this. Me well in a Walmart. well now Walmart I take up stuff where look cheaper, what not cheaper, which is more affordable than Amazon. Because I'm Amazon girly. Only if these people reach out and I just tell them say I not have this on it. Some say I would I would like to review this one. What about the listening what I'm saying? People them say yes. You know who go to Walmart the following day and return the next and get my money back in my pocket. Me, this I earlier because why me two of this? I never seen brand though. It was a different brand, right? But yeah, I'm grateful. Thanks be to God to save a little money. Let's see what is now. Oh, this company now. Oh, this really want but I would them put that thing. But anyways, this is I can't pronounce their name. Them people here. It's a shower hair catcher. So I'm supposed to do I just unbox and show. I could do a TikTok video with this too. But not special I go on Friday, so I'm not special. How this will be one, but they send it. I have to check it. The battery still up and going. Alright, so I don't remember who sent me this, to be honest. But I think it also onesies, 3 to 6 months onesie. Pull out one. Yeah, cute. So I got the pack of 3. Once again, I was thinking because I bought some of these. You know, so you're supposed to buy them something much a little bit because them grow so fast. We never think. I think never think I'm sure think about the pack of me buy. How am I do so much onesie? Monkey whatever I call. Yeah, monkey suit? Whatever I call. Whatever I call. Alright, so what is in this? What is in this? Nothing alive, long nice. I think it. You save it something, but I think I could have saved more. As in confirm, I should have sent back. Confirm, return. Confirm, return. That I should do. As in confirm, me return. Alright. This. How is it? How is it? Oh, them sent it. Alright, so I don't like the color. Oh, me lean back. Oi. Yeah. I have to lean back. You know what to find about I think the mic is working. But anyways. Alright, so this is a stroller organizer. Not too sure how you fit it, but I shall find out in due time. So it have nice compartment. You can put little back here so. Probably wipes, yes, so or pampers. This can come off if you don't want it on that. You can insulate it, you can keep the milk then warm. Probably can stuff any little thing and stuff. Or if you juice, because one bottle of milk and one bottle if you go buy food, right? But a more detailed video, if you want a video, will be on anyways, will be on TikTok. Once I show you say nice, I'm not too like the color. You wanna make color this. But I'm grateful. I am indeed grateful. Put them at good use. We might do one next video when we put it on this stroller. We might do one next video when we do that. Alright, we lean back a little bit. So This is the next one. She made it on my leg, but me feel rest my back a little. Rest my back a little. Alright, what's in this? How would you say? Oh, this is a portable camping shower. So you know, like hurricane season and water going. Way, you know, when you buckle a pan, you get one of them here. You get one of these for bed with. It come in handy. If you build muscle lift up buckle or whatever they use to build up the water for bed. Hold on the people. Hold on. 10 years later. Anyways, once again, I'm gonna show you a little bit because you know the drill, TikTok. So see here, hey, it's all collapsible, look like, obviously. So see here, wait, look when it come up here, your little nozzle. Like a beard, already, I bossy thing this man. Bossy, bossy, bossy. Bossy, all a flashlight. Check out me curious for that one, yeah. Check out, what I never gone last hurricane. No, but me that still worry, you know. So no, me not worry because I have this. Me have this. So anyway, check out my YouTube video, my TikTok video. With this, I'm very curious. Very, very curious indeed. Well, I need to box on yes, so not open it. Must have carry this. Boy. Mom Tori. Mom Tori. And the last one, I'm gonna we can look on a big old box here. Right? And this is so light. Anyways, Mom Tori baby carrier. So this was also on my registry. Oh, our registry will also be the link in below. If the same thing you want to purchase for the girly, you can let me know. You can yes, you can let me know. So this was on my registry and the Lord made a way to, you know, for me to get this. I just take it off. So let us see now. Because she had two types. I hope it's the one that is really nice. Oh, I like the color. Man, 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 I like the color. Ooh. I try plain one this. I plain one this, you know. Anyways, them have one way they can turn on sort away. Let me see if I eat. Probably I eat, you know. Oh yeah, eat. I eat, yeah. This is like enough way it can turn. You can turn a lot of ways. So it's with different stages. So you can go right up to 3-year-old. Right up to 3. You can one day on your hip if you want to have them on your hip. So you not bear the whole weight. Yeah, and the other one I didn't want. Praise Jesus. Praise the Lord. So the instructions are there. So see there? See if you can see properly. Let's say we can take a picture. Well, put the picture there. So you have the front, the facing in, facing out, back carry, and hip seat. So from 0 to 3, you have the facing in, 3 to 6 facing out, and from 6 months to 3 years, back carry, hip seat. It's nice, trust me. I don't want to be really want. Thanks be to God. But the color, man, the color. Hello. I like the color. I like low things and I like things are soft. Dark colors. I like dark colors, you know? But me now pull it out fully because I want to pull them on TikTok because them nice enough to send me this. So I'm going to show them on TikTok how it fits and how it whatever. I'm going to go a nice little video on it, right? Alright, this still on. Alright, so that's basically it for this video. I have an Xbox, but I can't combine it with this. Actually, I can, but it can't. It's not going to see. It's not going to see it this. Basically, it's for our next video. My friend just put them together. The comparison. Okay. All right. So we've reached the end of our video for today. Thank you guys for watching. Please, I beg again, subscribe. Please like the video. Likes do help. Like the video, comment what else you want me to review. I can probably get it to review. Or just comment something nice. Tell me if you're interested in any deals you want to find out or any category. Let me know. Category is an Amazon influencer. Check out my storefront for all the things that I always buy from Amazon. I know the nice things, the my things away. No. But anyways, yeah. Please share to a friend or relative, neighbor, dog, everybody. Alright? So bye.